First, I will introduce you of a 5-tile column wire shelf. This one with model number LD 9045180A5RC. The poster diameter of this item is 25, and the size on length is 900, on width is 450, and the height is 1.8 meter. The surface finish is chrome. For chrome, we can reach to level 8 on salty spray test done by SGS office. And this loading weight for this item, each layer can reach to 15 kilogram. Let's show you the loading weight. This is 20 kilogram, and 20 kilogram. This two 5 kilogram, total 15 kilogram, and so total 15 kilogram loading weight. For this item, each layer we can adjustable based on your requirement. For example, we can place the plastic clip here to adjust the head. And the packing size for this item is 91 by 14.6 and by 18. And the box is very small, like this one. For a 14 feet container, it can take around 755 sets. If you are interested in, please contact with us for more information.